Yo, what's up guys? I'm Mr. B and welcome to my channel. Now this channel is all about just incremental DIY stuff I'm doing around myself. Now that brings me to the room I'm in right now, my movie room. I've been working on this incrementally for a long time. It was pretty dated when I first got the space. I mean, we talked about 1980s, 1990s vibe. So I knew that I had to bring it to today's standards. So something a little bit modern, slick, new. So one of the things you'll see in the video is that I do get a lot of help from people, mainly even one guy, Penchito. He's been the rock of this project. So I like to learn from people and hopefully give back to as fast as experiences go. So that you guys get a little bit out of these videos as you're watching it. But as far as the type of format I want is that I just decided to break this thing up into smaller videos, kind of quick bites of the whole process, mainly b-roll and time-lapse style, just so that way you guys can just sit back, relax, and just enjoy it and maybe learn a little bit or two. But I want you guys to wait till the very end. I think the final reveal might be great. I know that I enjoyed it. Every night I'm here, I just enjoy seeing everything tied together. So I would hope that you guys get to see that same experience that I do. So with that in mind, relax, chill, and just enjoy this video. Stay for the rest, and I will see you guys when it's all over.